Also, the breed is insane. I know I have like the ideal spot, right?
Nice fan too.
Yeah, the fan helps that color.
Yeah.
So, Fresno Union as a whole has been here for about 4 years. Even though we go to Liberty Square, the Frontierland leadership actually they manage it. So I was able to get trains there as well, even though it's all the way to Liberty Square. For the boats, I haven't been here too long actually. I've only been here for like maybe 6 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What's the craziest thing that's happened in 6 months? Well, we normally run on something called the turbine, and the turbine is not running at the moment. We're on a standby generator, and because the standby generator is not built to run every single day,
That I was over across the way
died
on the
pretty
starboard
quickly.
side.
It has to be like restarted.
When I was young.
So probably my first time out of training, like I was up here and it died. Like one of the telling signs that it went out is that this fan will actually go off the audio cuts out and like that.